Hello, everyone. Sergeant Cooks, and welcome back to a new vlog. Today we are going to a ocean marine tent. Okay, sorry. And we're going to an ocean marine thing, and yeah, we're on a bus ride.
Lardo vlogs.
Guys, I'm having trouble putting on a seatbelt. What's your opinion on this, Dante?
How do you not know? I mean, I know it's different because we're in a bus, but still seatbelt. Think about it. Does Lightning McQueen have auto insurance or life insurance?
Shut up.
Me?
Yeah, I don't know how to put on a seatbelt in this bus. Doofus?
Yeah, that's what you are.
He's calling me a doofus. And yeah.
I hope that alligator bites me.
That's my favorite word.
That's the
Whoa.
only bad word you can say. Can that touch the water? I'm gonna tell you about mom.
Okay guys, so we're gonna be trying to do a 24-hour challenge. Me and my friends and here, because we're staying overnight, and we're gonna be trying to do a 24-hour challenge. Sorry I didn't get a record, but I'm gonna try to record tomorrow morning, and yes, we will be trying to do a 24-hour challenge here. And yeah, I'll tell you guys how it goes, but it might be a separate video, it might be the same video, I don't know, but I'll try to record it. Alright, now we are going to go out again to go record some more animals, and I'll be back, okay? Guys, I'm getting pretty tired, so yeah, I will probably see you guys in the morning. Yeah, bye.
Okay, guys, so we just finished a 24-hour video, and yeah, maybe today we're gonna go get some breakfast soon. We just woke up, we packed, we're gonna get some breakfast soon. Sorry I didn't get to record yesterday. The thing, it'll come out in this video, but I only gotta do a little bit of exploring. But today we're gonna do an hour or 2 hours actually exploring. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy that, and we will have some breakfast too. So yeah, I might show that off on camera to some Asian lady, and we'll be like, oh yeah. That's so racist, sorry, but yeah, but she doesn't like us having our phones out and everything. It's annoying. So yeah, I'll try to be careful. Hopefully I don't get taken away. They won't give it back until we leave. So yeah, I will meet you guys when we're done. Okay guys, look, there's a snake. He always tries to escape. He's trying to escape with his tongue, and then he just gives up. He'll do it again soon. I think he's going to drink some water. Oh, it's breakfast time? Yeah, I'll record there if the Asian lady's not going to be like there. Hey guys, look, there's a snake. There's the glossy snakes, and there's only one though. Since it's a plural, but I don't know why I thought there were two, and I have to be careful for somebody. Yeah, there's a snake. Yeah, keep watching. There's a Rosie Balboa. Oh, Boa.
Boa. Why Balboa?
Rocky Balboa. Then there's the California common scorpion, and he's not here, so yeah, there's no scorpion here. And then here is the desert tortoise, wherever he is. He's home.
Is it? Is it?
Yeah, he is.
Yes.
Okay, guys, here's a fish. Like this area. Look at it, they're all swimming. They're interesting. Guys, look at this eel. Oh, hello, fish. Look at this eel, it's going down there. Oh, hi. Look at this eel. It's interesting. The little fish. Look at it. And here's the California moray eel and the opal eye. Yeah, interesting. Guys, there's a fish right here, and he's just breathing. Wait, this guy has like
I'm recording it.
Yeah, mermaid man.
guy like red eyes.
No one.
No, that's isn't that the guy that has to be?
Look at this guy, he has like red eyes. Stop, Matthew. Look, there's some turtles. Dance, 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 yeah, dance, dance, yeah.
He can't dance.
He's dancing. Okay, guys, so here's the mouse house. Look, there's some mice. Psst, psst, psst.
Elliot's dancing.
Hold up. There's a mice sleeping. It's pretty cool. Oh, he's dancing. He's dancing. He's just trying to escape, man. Dude, it looks like he's dancing.
I feel bad that like we keep acting like
Oh! Oh!
he just gave up.
Oh, he's swimming.
This is your Snapchat.
No. Sorry.
Hey, look at this.
Swimming straight up the camera. Guys, look, it's moon jellies. Alright, well. The eel actually came out, guys. So he's breathing.
Something uglier than anything. It's uglier than yours. So calm down. No, it's safe.
Look how long
Look,
that
he
is.
just stopped there. He's scared.
How long that is.
Guys, like, get up.
Really long. Oh, hello.
Dude, look at this fish. He's like scared. He's careful. There's nothing you can do. Swim.
There's something I could do.
Oh, dude.
Put a flash on him.
Dude, do you think that what's going on is that this guy said, "Hey, where's your lunch money, faggot?" And then he didn't give it to him. So his big brother comes out and is like, "Okay, you better give me a lunch money, faggot."
Yeah.
So he's trying to swim away.
You better give me your lunch money. Guys, look, there's a huge octopus right there.
Put your phone away.
Doggies.
I said put your phone.
And if you look at some of the fins, they have little bites on them. And that's because it is shark breeding season. And those are the lady sharks. And when they breed, the male sharks will bite onto the fins to hold on to them. So it is normal for them to look like that.
Ow.
So you guys,
Does it hurt?
No, it doesn't hurt.
I'm sure it doesn't feel very good, but that's the same thing they would do in the wild. All right, so we got a couple different those leopard sharks. Pretty much everything in here was something you would swim with if you were out in the water in
It's in danger.
if you were out in the water here.
Don't jump it.
They might come up. They usually come up when we feed, but I don't know if they're.
That'd be bad. Gotta hold on it really tight.
So that's a tarfish. So they're kind of like a cross between a shark and a stingray. Yeah, so they have kind of the tail of a shark and then the body of a stingray.
That one likes sand.
I would go in here though.
They don't usually come up.
Oh, it's all.
So what do they feel like?
Slimy, dude. Dude, so cool. Johnson.
Hey, Johnny. Billy, come on. It just keeps on dodging.
He's like, I want some action.
Oh, it's so slimy. Nah.
Oh, my shirt.
He drops you.
Why'd you drop your phone?
This is a big one. What's up? I can't reach. It's so slimy. It feels so weird when you pet it. I was like, whoa! I got scared because it's slimy. It's so slimy.
You like sight? Yeah.
Bro, looks like it has a bullet hole.
Oh, it's so slimy. Yeah, I know. I'm holding out.
I just dropped. And they dropped the whole phone and him in there. Anthony falls in there.
That'd be awesome.
Why?
Yeah, I don't know what this. He likes the sides, apparently.
He didn't like going inside the water.
He likes the side areas.
Here, look at that. He's just dancing.
Is that a stingray?
No,
This.
that's a guitar string.
Yeah, what is this?
That's a mix of a stingray and a shark. Dude, what's this guy up to flashing everyone?
He likes the sides.
This reminds me of Mandalorian from the shovel guitar thing.
Oh!
It's a guitar. Hey, that was a guitar.
I'm getting my entire arm wet.
I want to touch one of those. Hey, look. Dude, build on top of them. Try to touch. Oh.
No, bueno.
Bueno.
Oh, I touched it.
Dude, you think Dude, did you guys?
I'm gonna fall in.
I feel bad for Chicago
Little.
because they keep getting touched.
They're really soft.
Dude, these guys must have.
Oh, I wet my phone. I wet my phone trying to pet it.
Oh, I catch it.
I want to see albino.
I touched it. Oh, it's all rough. The shark is all rough. Ah!
Dude, the shark tell you have to get out of here.
Oh, it's all slimy. Matthew.
Oh, we can touch this one.
I swear.
I'm almost falling in.
Oh my god, I just touched
Oh. No way. I gotta touch one more. I gotta touch one more. I gotta touch one more. Yeah, I gotta touch one more. Yeah. Oh, that scared me. Oh. That was fun, Adam. What do you gotta say for the viewers?
These are beautiful fish,
Yeah.
and we should cherish them and protect them.
Yeah.
Already.
Sneedville. Freaking Dory. You know, short-term memory loss boy. Freaking Dory. She's like tiny mouth. How come it's only one blue tang in here?
That's sexually abusive.
They're gonna rape Dory. Oh, sea turtle. Hey, sea turtle. Hello, sea turtle. Sea turtle. Hey, sea turtle. Say hello to the camera. Say hello to sea turtle. Hello. There's no dick. The turtles don't have dicks. How come turtles don't have dicks? How come turtles don't have dicks? How come turtles don't have dicks?
I don't know. Oh, why are you asking me?
Recording?
Yeah.
Yes, he is.
And you just said that?
Yeah, why not?
Turtle dicks.
There's no turtle
Your
dicks.
parents are gonna watch it and be like,
Ah, he's bleeding. See, there's no turtle dick. What's that black spot right there?
A dick.
They're fuck.
well, which one's a boy and which one's a girl?
They're both boys.
Oh, they're things are say they're telling
He's inside the shell.
Oh, that's sad.
I can't get out because it's stuck in my stomach shell.
I shall name one Charlie and Wolves. Move.